What's up, everyone? Immaculate Collegiate, not Immaculate Collegiate, Threads, or I can add a case. Threads. Main Bounty, Luca. Okay, I'll add a case. I'll add one for now. I think a couple are coming tomorrow. Main Bounty, 1/1 Luca auto. 2 teams that go hitless. It'll go tomorrow, Ye Punch. Win teams in the next one. Go during the week. Ship out everything. Everything's numbered. And good luck. If you see Xavier McDaniel, he means top tier. Let me just add an Immaculate so Ye Punch can start locking in. And football's up. We gotta fix that. That's Tick Tenders. I'm going to add an Immaculate. The case isn't here, but I'll add one. Remember, 1/1s used to fly out of this stuff. I don't think the camera's going to like these cards. They're too shiny. Clay Blue, Paul George, Redemption. Landry Shamet, I think he's Clippers in this. And then we got a nice one for the Bulls, /20, Zach LaVine. Yeah. Immaculate Basketball is the end of the month. Sexton. Giannis. A lot of good stuff coming out the next month. Come on, camera. Come on. Why can't you work? Tatum, Gasol, Holiday, Mitchell. Mark Eaton means good for the Jazz. /200. Mark Eaton means this kid. Trae Young /105. Nice hit, Hobby. Lonnie rookie. Luca rookie. Simmons. There you go, Hobby. Nice start. Buddy. Gobert. And then we have, for the Spurs, /100, Bruce Bowen. And then the Clippers have another, /70, Jerome Robinson. Ayton rookie, Carter, Harden, Steph /85. Trey, PG. Simmons blue, Siakam. And then for the Lakers, /100, Josh Hart. And then we have a Kevin Huerter, 1/105 for the Hawks. Sexton, Bagley /75. And the last pack. Might see some gold. Fox. Vucevic. Who does Alfred Payton mean? To 100, Alfred Payton for the Pelicans. And we got Alonzo Trier to 105 for the Knicks. There's a Brunson rookie to 10. Durant. And pretty solid. Bunch of solid hits. Chase is bored. It's funny that, yeah, now they're teammates. Now they're teammates. All right, Clips, Lakers, Bulls, Hawks, Pelicans, Spurs, Jazz. All right, top two at 10. $11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Forever and Caleb. That's the break. Thank you.